Are you a bookworm who dreams of turning your passion into money? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and sell AI-generated ebooks, step by step. First things first, what's an ebook? Well, an ebook is simply a book you can read digitally. You can open it on your tablet, smartphone, or computer, but you can't physically flip through its pages like a regular book. Now, creating an ebook might sound tricky, but with the right tools and a good plan, it's actually pretty easy. The process includes gathering your content, designing a cover, publishing your book, and using smart strategies to boost your sales. This is where AI becomes your best friend. Think of AI as a supercharged search engine. When it comes to writing an ebook, AI can help with almost everything, from brainstorming ideas to researching topics, and even writing the book itself. In fact, many people prefer using AI because it's safer, more detailed, and can be surprisingly creative. However, despite AI doing most of the heavy lifting, you still need to know important steps so that you can work your way through them. Identifying your topic and target audience, brainstorming ideas, writing the ebook, manual review and editing, designing and choosing a layout, publishing it. Let's go through the entire process now. The first step is identifying a niche that has both demand and aligns with your expertise. You can pick up anything such as self-help, business, health, or educational guides. You can also research trending topics using tools like Google Trends. Once you've picked a niche, you can move on to defining your audience. Think about what age group you'll be targeting, their interests, and even their preferred reading style. This will help you make an ebook that's a hit. The next step is creating an outline. And this is where AI comes in. Once you've got your niche and target audience down, you can input your main topic and a few key points in AI tools like ChatGPT, asking for an outline. And just like that, you'll have chapters, sections, and subtopics. This is important. An outline serves as the blueprint for your ebook, making sure there's a logical flow of information. Once you have that down, you can move on to the next step, which is generating content. And this is where AI tools change the entire game. In fact, you don't even need access to a fancy tool. You can make it work with something as simple and accessible as ChatGPT. It's no secret that ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools out there. Whether it's helping a salesperson write emails or giving students ideas for their essays, ChatGPT makes every task a breeze. And if you're looking for a way to gather content for your ebook, then guess what? ChatGPT will have you covered. All you need to do is give ChatGPT clear instructions. For example, you could say, write an ebook for kids titled Story of Three Birds featuring a sparrow, crow, and pigeon. The ebook must contain 20 pages and must be divided into 4 chapters. Each chapter must be explained thoroughly using long paragraphs. Also, add AI-generated images of a sparrow, crow, and pigeon in every chapter. And just like that, with a click of a button, you'll have a complete 20-page, divided and filled with cute images. The next step is compiling everything neatly. Once again, you can ask ChatGPT to take on the workload. Simply type in the prompt, compile all the above chapters and images into a document file. Once you're happy with the final version, the last step is to convert the document into a PDF file. It's super simple. Just search for a free online PDF converter, upload your document, and download it as a PDF. Once you've gathered all the content for your ebook, it's time to start working on the mockup, also known as the cover. Since the cover is the first thing people see, it plays a huge role in grabbing their attention. That's why it's important to make sure your cover is unique, eye-catching, and professional. Fortunately, creating a cover is super easy with ChatGPT. You can simply type in, create 4 AI-generated poster images for the ebook, and watch the magic happen in seconds. Next up, with the help of these images, you'll now be able to make mock-ups for your ebook. You can use Canva for this. Alternatively, you can check out Jasper as well as a potential AI writing partner. It helps people create original content 10 times faster than other websites. With over 50 templates to choose from, Jasper makes the entire process a breeze by providing efficient brainstorming, writing, and marketing services. Just as with any other AI tool, the first step with Jasper is to identify a few relevant topics that align with your target audience's interests. Jasper makes this easy with its blog post topic feature. It will ask you for some basic details such as your company name, product description, and target audience. Remember, the more details you give, the better the output. Once you have a few ideas in mind, it's time to do some research. Check if you have any competitors offering similar content. If yes, ask yourself, how can I stand out? What makes my ebook different? You can gather insights from industry reports, social media, educational resources, or even a simple Google search. After collecting all the information, you might feel a little overwhelmed, and that's completely normal. That's why organizing and compiling your findings is super important. Apart from that, Jasper can help you in creating images, infographics, graphs, and charts to keep your audience engaged. Jasper Art allows you to create AI art or even images related to your writing in seconds. That can be groundbreaking when designing the cover art. If for some reason you don't dig Jasper, you can check out Gemini as well. It is also one of the most used AI tools when it comes to generating an ebook. The basic steps are the same: identifying a niche, identifying an audience, and generating content. The good news? Gemini streamlines the entire process. Ask questions like, what are the best niche markets to enter that will allow me to publish and sell ebooks online? Within a few seconds, Gemini will generate a variety of topics for you to choose from, saving you from the trouble of brainstorming on your own. Once you're done with grunt work, you can ask Gemini to create an outline for you. It can contain all the possible causes of the problems and suggestions for overcoming these hurdles. With the help of this outline, you can now create an entire ebook with multiple chapters. Gemini will provide you with an error-free and grammatically correct ebook. This way, you can ignore the nitty-gritties and work towards creating uniqueness. The point is that AI makes the entire process a stroll in the park. However, it's still AI, and you should look over the final draft once to check for accuracy, clarity, and tone. Add personal anecdotes, insights, or case studies to make the content unique and valuable. AI can also help during this part of ebook creation by refining your writing, offering grammar correction, style suggestions, and content optimization. Don't forget to use plagiarism checkers as well. This will save you a lot of trouble down the line. And most importantly, don't forget to fact check. It's time to release your masterpiece into the wild. We already talked about converting the ebook into a PDF, but for more accessibility, you can consider other formats as well, like EPUB and Mobi. It will help you publish your ebook on platforms like Apple Books and Amazon Kindle. Most AI ebook generators support multiple export options if you're worried about how to go about it. After that, it's all about choosing a platform to publish your ebook. There are plenty that you can look into. At the top of the list, there's Amazon. However, customers can only buy it physically and not digitally. This means that Amazon will have to print out copies of your ebook to send it over to the customers, and they are the ones who will be bearing the costs of the printing. Another option is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, the largest ebook marketplace, offering a global reach and various royalty options. You can look into Gumroad as well. It's perfect for direct sales and building an email list. And let's not forget Etsy, one of the top platforms when it comes to selling digital products. People have been able to make millions of dollars by selling their digital products, including ebooks, on Etsy. However, a major drawback of Etsy is that it's not accessible in most countries. This leads to fewer customers. Not to mention, if you're on the list of inaccessible countries, then that means you can't consider Etsy in the first place. You can also consider options like Kitaboo and Google Play. Make sure you promote your book on social media and use the right marketing strategies to have maximum sales. In fact, according to experts, you should start promoting your ebook before it's published. Build anticipation through social media teasers and blog posts to create a sense of excitement. Don't forget to focus on the sales page as well. An attention-grabbing title, a professional cover, and a convincing description go a long way in driving up sales. Testimonials and reviews are also a game changer. You can ask early readers to leave reviews, or even partner with influencers or bloggers in your niche for better promotion. People are much more likely to buy your book in that case. If you have the extra cash lying around, you can invest in Amazon ads, Facebook ads, or Google ads to boost visibility. Don't forget to look into SEO as well. Optimize your ebook's metadata for search engines to attract organic traffic. Any AI tool can help you in choosing the right buzzwords. What's more, if you want to up your sales, then opting for an audiobook might be a great idea. You can simply copy and paste the entire text and ask any AI tool to create an audio version of the ebook for you. Lastly, think carefully about the pricing. Research competitors in your niche and think of competitive prices. Many platforms allow flexible pricing and royalty structures. Consider offering discounts or bundling ebooks to attract more buyers. Think about copyrights and ISBNs as well. Some platforms provide free ISBNs, while others require you to purchase one. Registering your copyright is optional, but recommended for added protection and security. This way, no one will be able to steal the content that you spent hours working on. At the end of the day, creating an ebook seems like a daunting task, but with AI changing the game, almost anyone can do it. It's all about looking into your options and putting in the work. And that's pretty much all you need to know about creating and selling AI-generated ebooks. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.